The day Strait of Hormuz was blocked and America's 100 billion escape plan, it happened. The Strait of Hormuz is no longer open. After raising tensions with Iran, the world's most critical oil route has been disrupted. And within hours, oil prices surge, global markets panic. Countries scramble to secure energy because nearly 20% of the world's oil just got cut off. This isn't just a regional crisis anymore, it's a global emergency. With conflict escalating between Iran, Israel and the United States, the risk everyone feared has become reality. And now one question is dominating global strategy rooms. What comes next? Because the truth is, the world depended too heavily on a single choke point. And now the choke point is compromised. So attention is turning to a bold, long discussed idea, a way to completely bypass the Strait of Hormuz through Oman. For years, experts have talked about building an alternative route across land, a massive network of pipelines cutting through Oman's mountain, connecting to the Persian Gulf directly to the Arabian Sea. Now that idea is no longer optional, it's urgent. With support of United States, oil from allies like Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates could be redirected straight ports like Duqm, completely avoiding the blockade route. No choke point, no exposure to the conflict, a direct escape from the crisis. But building the solution won't be fast. Oman's terrain is one of the biggest challenges. Rugged mountains, extreme heat, and remote desert regions make construction incredibly difficult. The cost: up to $100 billion. Even with unlimited resources, this would take years to complete, which means the world is facing a dangerous gap between crisis and solution, because right now the Strait of Hormuz is blocked, and the alternative doesn't exist yet. This changes everything: energy security, global trade, geopolitical power. All of it is being reshaped in real time. So now the real question is, will the United States and its ally move fast enough to build a new route? Or will the world remain trapped, depending on a choke point that just proved it can shut down everything? So viewers, how much is your country affected by this disruption? Please let us know in the comment below, and let us know from where you are watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And hopefully the problem will be resolved.